And I'm excited to try it and see what happens. You know, if it helps with breathing and all that good stuff. Yeah. I'm just excited to try it, guys. I was walking a really far distance and I wasn't struggling to breathe. But it's just day one, so I'm not gonna get too excited. Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay, so today I just want to quickly talk about Seamoss. The definition right on the screen, but it is a type of like plant that's found in Jamaica, but it's found in the sea. Obviously, sea moss. And if you look at it, probably it basically looks like seaweed. But I will put everything on the screen because I did a 7-day trial because I heard that it's good for thyroid gland problems. And as you guys know, well, if you don't know, I have hypothyroidism. So I'm taking Seamoss because I wanted to stop with the chemicals that I've been putting in my body because I realized that I started to rely on them to do everyday things. So what I'm doing now is I've been taking Seamoss, and once a day I just make it in a smoothie. And so I did a 7-day trial, and on day one instantly I saw a difference, but then I didn't want to get too excited, so I made sure that I watched it throughout the 7 days. And basically what I found out after using Seamoss for 7 days is that it's not a hype. Like, the benefits are not a hype at all. So I definitely saw an improvement in my breathing. I saw an improvement in my eyes. I saw an improvement in my neck. I saw an improvement in everything, just walking and doing everyday activities. The thing I will say is because we're not in Jamaica and we're getting it here in the States or anywhere else apart from Jamaica, people that are selling it quite pricey. Whereas if you were in Jamaica, you probably get it for like $5 or something. But here, people are selling like 400 grams for like $40. So it's pretty expensive. But I heard so many good things about it, and I really wanted to get off chemicals, so I started taking Seamoss first. I've been taking, so far, as of right now, actually, I've been taking it for about 10 days. But I'm gonna say it's a 7-day trial because the video that I have is 7 days. I don't have 10 days worth of content of just making the Seamoss in the morning and drinking it to school and whatever. This is before they now close school because of coronavirus. Here's this scarf for you guys. Right now, the situation with my braids is quite sad because everything is just like, my hair needs to be redone, my nails need to be redone. If you see, everything is outgrowing. I've lost 2 nails. It's a mad thing. It's a mad thing. Benefits that I found on goodhousekeeping.com and what it does, and I will tell you whether or not I felt these things happen to me or whether I felt these benefits. So it says health benefits of Seamoss. I'll put it on the screen obviously so you can read with me. It said it may help you digest your food. Definitely helps me digest my food because but to be honest, I haven't ever really had problems going to the toilet. I haven't really. But now I know that Seamoss has definitely been helping in just making like my body, I don't know, just making my body digest properly and flow better. Yeah, it's a very snotty texture. It says it's a snotty texture, which you will see in the video. It's a snotty texture, and it's almost gel-like. So that's what I've been using. So I just made some and put in the fridge, and I've just been using it till my Seamoss runs out, which I need to order another one. But it's not cheap. It has definitely improved my immune system, I feel like, because obviously thyroid situation, hypothyroidism affected my entire being, just existence. So this has definitely helped me in that sense. It can improve your thyroid function. I feel like it definitely has. It can improve your energy levels. This one I definitely noticed. I have more energy when I drink Seamoss, and if I don't drink Seamoss, I notice a big difference in my energy level. I probably just don't want to get out of bed. I'm just like, I just feel like I can do more basically. So yeah, it definitely did help improve my energy levels. So in terms of helping with stubborn phlegm, my nose definitely hasn't really been blocked. It does help my phlegm because at the moment I feel like I have a cold. It does help my phlegm come out, I guess, easily. It's not really been a blocked situation or me waking up with blocked nose or anything like that. So yeah, apparently it helps with smooth skin and silky hair. I'm not sure if that has happened with my skin because it's only been about 10 days or maybe, yeah, it's only been about 10 days that I've been taking Seamoss. So I'm not really sure if it has improved my skin or my hair. First of all, my hair is in braids, so I don't think it has in that sense. Maybe it has. Maybe that's why my hair is growing out so fast and like my edges are just like all over the place. Like I just have so much hair out at the moment. There's so much growth and it's not been that long. And smooth skin. I'm not sure if it's done anything with that aspect. But I will continue to keep an eye on it, and I'll probably come back to you guys in a month and tell you guys whether or not it has improved in that sense. But I'm also starting another thing, Curology, which I'm going to do in a different video. So I'm not sure yet. Then it says it could improve your emotional health. It probably has, because I find that I just have energy. So I'm the fact that I have energy makes me a little more excited to do things, excited to be up in the morning. But I think like the energy is also keeping me up at night, but that might also just be like my busybody. Yeah, so those are the benefits of Seamoss. So out of the 102 minerals that the human body consists of, Seamoss has 92 of them. Like, if that doesn't convince you to look for Seamoss and start taking it, I actually don't know what will, because it's crazy. It's actually crazy, and I just think that it's I don't know, I just feel like it's been very beneficial to me. So yeah, I just feel like Seamoss has just been really beneficial so far, and I think I would recommend it, but I also feel like you guys should give me another, like, give me a whole month to have been taking it so that I can say, okay, yeah, definitely be taking it. But so far so good. I definitely think that in 10 days or 2 weeks that I've been taking it, I've definitely seen an improvement. I'm definitely not struggling to breathe as much. I don't know if you guys have noticed or can tell from this video, but I'm definitely not struggling to breathe as much. My eyes are still big. I don't know if that's going to improve. I think it is getting smaller, but I feel like it's not getting smaller at the same time. So one eye is getting smaller than the other. It's just crazy, but it will get there eventually. Yeah, I just feel like Seamoss is probably going to be the thing for me. I think this is what's going to help me to improve altogether. So that's it. So let's get right into the video. You can just see the 7 days that I, did everything. On day 1, I felt really good, by day 7/10. Yeah, so I found great ways to make it. I was making it with fruits and vegetables. I mean, not really loads of vegetables, just spinach, to make smoothies, and that's how I was drinking it that's how I always drink it, because I just feel like it just tastes good. And I mean, it makes the drink really thick, which is quite filling. So yeah, that's what I've been doing for the past 10 days. I've been taking Seamoss. So I think you guys should definitely try it. So let's do this. Let me show you guys. So basically what I'm planning to do is just kind of show you guys how I use it, how I make it, and the procedure, and whether or not it makes any difference in my life. People raved on about it. So yeah, I ordered some Seamoss. Irish Seamoss wild crafted raw and sun dried. And I'll just open it to show you guys what it looks like. It smells really strong. It smells a bit like, I don't even know what to call it. It smells really strong. It smells like the sea, basically. Or like, I don't know, salt or something. Oh wow, okay, so I think these are probably like the things I'm supposed to pick out, I'm guessing. It looks like this one of the things I'm supposed to pick out. Yeah, it's a leaf. So yeah, so this is raw Seamoss. And I'm excited to try it and see what happens. If it helps with breathing and all that good stuff. Yeah, I'm just excited to try it, guys. Okay, so I've picked as many of the particles as possible. The stones, things like that, things that you generally will find on reefs in the sea. I've picked them, and then I've cut a piece of lemon, and I'm just gonna put it in there. Apparently it helps to kill any impurities or anything like that. Now I'm supposed to put like just water, but I'm putting water that's like lukewarm. Okay, so I left it to soak overnight. Oh, wow. It feels like a gel. Okay. Let's see what it looks like. So it swelled, but definitely didn't swell as much as they said. They said it would swell like twice the amount. But it didn't. So now I'm gonna blend that and make my gel. And make a smoothie and take with me to school. This is the consistency. It's very jelly. As you can see, it's not even moving. It's very, very jelly. Let me show you. Ooh. It's jelly. Okay. All right, jelly, come through. Okay. Now I'm gonna just add some fruit and blend it and take. It's a very thick smoothie. So I'm gonna put it in here in my bottle and take it with me because I'm running late actually. Alright, so this is day one of my Seamoss. So I made a Seamoss smoothie in the morning and I only just finished it probably like 2 hours ago. I mean, it's just gathered at the bottom now. Now it looks like I didn't finish it, but I finished it about 2 hours ago. And if I'm honest, I was walking a really far distance and I wasn't struggling to breathe. But it's just day one, so I'm not gonna get too excited. But it's so far so good, basically, is what I'm trying to tell you guys. It's not the best taste, but it's one of those things that where it's an acquired taste, you kind of have to get used to it. So I'll get used to it because if today is any indication of what it's gonna do for me, then Seamoss is my best friend. That's it. Day two. Wow, what is this? This is day two. I left this to
Yummy, yummy dough. Let me show you guys. Look at the dough. See? This is dough. So, what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna add my fruit.
I don't know if you can see the banana, it's under there. 1 banana and 1 apple with my Seamoss.
Baby girl.
Oh, so she just seems like a thick ass smoothie. That's basically what she seems like and what she feels like. Baby for the day. This should be yummier than yesterday, actually. I'm excited. This is so much yummier than yesterday. I'm so excited. Day 3. Okay, so this is what we have. Okay. And this, I realized that as I'm trying to blend this, I realized that this blending an everyday situation is stupid. So I'm just gonna blend a lot of it tomorrow, and then I'll just be picking it every day and make my smoothie. So I'm home today, so my smoothie is in a jar. A yummy jar. Okay. There's some ice in there. So good. So, this is day 4 or day 5 now? I can't remember. It might be day 4 actually. So yeah. I'm feeling like I want to leave it to soak for a little bit more before I make my smoothie. Okay, so I have enough for probably 2 liters as opposed to 1. I've been making enough for 1 liter for the past few days, which is so silly. So I'm going to make enough for 2 liters for today and tomorrow. So yeah. Okay, so I added a lot more water in today. It's still gel, but I just added a lot more water. See, it's still gel. That's because I want it to last a little longer. So this is gonna be what I'm gonna use for today's smoothie. Right there. Maybe I'll just add a little bit more. Still very gel, still very thick, as you can see. But yeah, so I'm gonna use that to make today's smoothie. Okay guys, so this is probably day 6 of Seamoss. But I have cramps right now, So I want to make what's left of the Seamoss with some strawberries and some banana and some strawberry banana yogurt right now, and make a quick Seamoss gel smoothie and hope that it helps my cramps because I'm in so much pain. It's ridiculous. Good night, guys. Smoothie time. Gonna do is some blueberry yogurt, obviously some Seamoss gel, some strawberries, and a banana. I'm gonna make my breakfast, my smoothie. Yes, sir. Okay, so I just decided last minute to add some some leaves, just a little bit of spinach. Yeah, just a little bit. Okay, guys, that's it. I hope this was somewhat beneficial to you. If you were thinking about taking Seamoss, I hope this helped you in any way, form, shape, or style. So enjoy. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button. Leave a comment down below if you've ever tried Seamoss or you were thinking about trying Seamoss. And just let me know if it was beneficial to you, the benefits you noticed. If you know more about Seamoss, that you feel like I should know, ways I could use it, please let me know. I'm really open to it. I'm really looking forward to getting all the possible benefits of using Seamoss. So yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Catch you in my next video. Ciao. Catch you in my next video. Ciao.